Hi, it's Teresa here with another organization project. So when I travel, I use these little photo album things and I put a mixture of stuff in there for I can make collages and different things like that. And I also have something like this. And so I'm going to go with you what I do afterwards because as you can see, I have a lot of this just out. And I pull my drawers out and that I know there's a lot of, and then I put all the stuff back. So I thought I would show you how I do that. All right, so I have, and when I do this, I take my time to go through stuff because I have found things in different compartments that I really don't want there, like that, for instance, and that. So I will go through stuff and rearrange or whatever. So let's get started. We're going to do a work and chat. So I think I am on a good time frame for getting everything done before my daughter gets home. I don't know, maybe I think I am. I hope I am. Because I'm here to tell you, I really want all this done. I'm tired of unorganization. I think I have, those are stickers, Oh, that is just emptied. Okay. I'm looking to see if I have any more bigger ones of these. I have these littles. I don't have the big ones. Okay, well, good thing I have an extra right there. Okay, these are stickers and we'll put them in there. So I hope everyone is doing good. This learning the travel business is very, very exhausting. Oh, that's what I did. I put them in here because I thought that's all I had. It is so exhausting. With learning I'm loving it, totally loving it, but it is extremely tiring. Oops, wrong there. Okay. What are you screaming? You're screaming going there. So, other than that, things are really good. I hope things are good for you guys. While I'm doing this video, I'm not sure when it will get put up, but I am filming it on a Thursday, and my anniversary is May 2nd, so I'm like really excited for this weekend. We are doing very simple. My husband has a very busy travel week, so we are trying to be very, very, I don't know if you guys can see all of these. Let me move some over there. Now maybe you can. We're doing a very simple anniversary get-together, celebration. So I'm putting a lot of the stickers up here so I can separate them differently because, let's face it, there is too many things on this table to have out. So anyways, we are going to go watch a movie. I think the new I can't remember the name of it. See how my brain just fries on me. We are going to go watch the new yeah, no, ain't coming. So sorry. I don't know. it'll come to me. But we're gonna go just watch a movie and do lunch out, and then we are going to go and come back home and enjoy our last weekend without munchkins. Well, they're not munchkins anymore. Let's face facts here. They are adults. And so, yeah, that's about what we're doing. My husband's going to build Legos, and which probably sounds funny to most people, but we are a Lego family. My husband is going to build some Legos, and I am either going to craft or and do some photo scanning. So I'm making use of my education, and I am scanning my family's, digitizing my family's photos, which I think is fun. I've been enjoying it so far. And then editing them, yeah, because they're old. They need a little bit of a facelift per se. So, makes me want to go back to school and learn more. But that is not going to happen anytime soon. Not with 2 kids in college. Anyways, but it will be, it'll be fun, relaxing weekend. We normally do not do a whole lot. We used to, but then with the pandemic, we just kind of quit doing a whole lot. So, which is fine with us. We'll start back up once the kids are done with school, I'm sure. Okay, this is a collage of a lot of different things, and I don't even know if I have containers for everything, so we're just going to pull out a handful at a time and go through it. Sticker. That's a sticker. That's a sticker. These are chipboard pieces that came from a scrapbooking kit. I'm going to have to set these aside because I don't know where I want them at the moment. Stickers. So I do separate my Tim Holtz stuff when it comes to certain things. Like, I like to keep a lot of my Tim Holtz stuff together. Like, my itty bitties are all together. And I'm really debating about moving this to get more space and putting the bugs and butterflies with the flowers. They all kind of go together, right? But the words I like to have with my word container. So let me bring my word container down. Let's put it right there. And then my, you know, these things, I like to mix them. So they're different, but they are together. But a lot of this is like just big ephemera packs that are Tim Holtz. And not everything in here is itty bitty. Should be, but it's not. Treasured moments, words. So yeah, that's what my weekend is going. I am looking for movie recommendations. I would love to know recommendations for whatever type of movies you like. Oh, yeah, I think I'll do that later. But I am, yeah. We have been binge watching TV shows like Castle and Rookie and what are some of the other ones? FBI. That one we found really good. And then there's, trying to think what else I like. What else we've been binge watching. Oh, we just started watching 911 with my son. He really likes that. So we have been waiting for him before we continue on that stuff. But the funny thing is that we like, when my daughter, Marvel, that's what we've been binge watching the Marvel movies. And that is what is coming out soon, is Marvel movies. And that is what we're going to watch for our anniversary. I knew it would come to me. I have a thing with just vellum. I don't know where it's at, so I'll put it in with the stickers for right now. Yeah, so we've been binge watching Marvel, which my daughter will watch with us. She's very particular. She doesn't like the castles and 911, anything like that. She's not as big fond of, and I can't blame her. It's not for everybody. I think as a younger version of myself, I would not do that. Okay, so I am putting these big ones aside with stickers. That way I know, like, they don't fit in there, but... Oh, look, that is a cute number. Yeah. It's getting full, and I still have a lot more. I think I need a bigger container. I don't have a bigger container over there, but we are going to switch out these, because I have some really little ones and we have some bigger ones, and we're just gonna switch it out into this bigger container. These can go into the little one because I am using them. And does that fit? Yeah. Look how fun those are. My, like, ticket stubs. Let's put that with numbers. Oh, look, cute little tickets. Yeah. These are all, we're gonna, okay. This is too big to go in any of them, so I'm gonna put that in my thing with my stickers. I don't know what to do with that. We'll throw that in there. If things do not mix, it is okay with me. Oh, look, these are like a lot of priority stickers. I think I'm gonna just throw them all in here and then pluck through what I want, you know? Why not? Well, I do have stickers set aside. No, I'm gonna do it the other way because I have stickers for flowers and stickers for animals and butterflies by themselves, so might as well. Might as well, although those can totally go in there. Okay, that could go in there. These are a little bit too big. Look at that. Those can go in. Oh, no, no, shoot. Go in the letters. They keep jumping into every other pot. They just want to be everywhere. You can't be everywhere. So yeah, this is about how I do it. I am going to finish this up, and when I'm done with all of these, I will give you guys a final, like, walkthrough of what's what. So I store once I'm done with these, I store these containers. So when I travel somewhere, I can use them. And I got these at Michael's. They are like amazing. All right. So thank you for joining me. You guys are amazing. sticking with me even though I have been MIA off and on. Health issues suck. Just saying. They really do suck. Just the more I learn, the more that's another. That is a totally different, ooh, cute, video. For right now, thank you very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. And you guys are loved. And I will catch you later. Bye.